Axis International, where patented products meet real opportunity. Life is better when your essentials are always within reach and your hands are free to enjoy the moment.
Designed for flexibility, it attaches to uniforms, clothing, or everyday accessories and adjusts to the way you live and work. Ideal for healthcare professionals, first responders, security personnel, delivery teams, construction workers, and countless other professions. With multiple attachment methods and countless applications, OBY is a versatile connector system designed for healthcare and beyond. Keeping protective equipment and everyday essentials secure, accessible, and ready when you need them. Whether you're working, traveling, shopping, exercising, or enjoying time with family and friends, this versatile connector moves with you. Leave the handbag at home. Walk free. One smart wearable connector with endless everyday possibilities. Available for licensing.